Hello everyone. So today we will be checking that the number n into n square plus 20 is divisible by 48, right? Uh, the given part is that n is an even number. N is an even number. If n is even number, then we have to check that n into n square plus 20 is divisible by 48. So for that we can say that if n is an even number, we can take n is equal to 2k. If by getting or by taking n is equal to 2k, we can substitute the value of n here. So we will get 2k into 4k square plus 20. Now we can take the common part out. So 8k into k square plus 5. 8k into k square plus 5. This whole number is divisible by 8, or I can say that 8k into k square plus 5 mod 8 is equal to 0. If this number is divisible by 5, I can say that n into n square plus 20 is also divisible by 8. Now we only have to check that the required number is divisible by 6 or not. If the required number is divisible by 6, then we can say that the whole complete number is divisible by 48. So I can say that if k into k square plus 5 mod 6 gives us the remainder 0, then n into n square plus 20 mod 6 will also give us the remainder 0, or I can say that n into n square plus 20 mod 48 will give us the remainder 0. So we can assume that k is case 1, case 1 when k is an even number. When k is an even number, so we can say that k square will also be an even number, and k square plus 5 will always be an odd number. But overall, k into k square plus 5 will be an even number. Hence, hence we can say k into k square plus 5 mod 2 will give us the remainder 0. Now keep remember this, that k into k square plus 5 mod 2 gives us the remainder 0. Now if we are able to prove that k into k square plus 5 mod 3 is also equal to 0, then we can say that the whole number is divisible by 6, as the number is divisible by 2, as the number is divisible by 6 by 3. So the whole number k into k square plus 5 is divisible by 6, right? So what can I do is we can take the case second, that k into k square plus 5 mod 3 is 0 or not. For this we can assume that k is 3m plus 1, right? Now 3m plus 1 is a number which is not divisible by 3, right? Or we can take the value of k which is not the multiple of 3. If k is a value which is not the multiple of 3, on substituting this value in the above equation, we will get 3m plus 1 into 3m plus 1 whole square plus 5, which is 3m plus 1 into 3m 9m square plus 1 plus 6m plus 5, or I can say 3m plus 1 into 9m square 6m plus 6, or I can say 3 into 3m plus 1 3m square plus 2m plus 2, right? Now, if I've taken the value of k as 3m plus 1, in that case, what I've got is 3 into 3m plus 1 into 3m square plus 2m plus 2. That means that on taking the value k is equal to 3m plus 1, the whole value k into the whole value k into k square plus 5 is divisible by 3. As you can see here, it is divisible by 3. Now, instead of 3m plus 1, let's take k is equal to 3m plus 2. As we will take k is equal to 3m plus 2, in that case, k into k square plus 5 is equal to 3m plus 2, 3m plus 2 whole square plus 5. That is 3m plus 2 into 9m square plus 4 plus 12m plus 5. So it is 3m plus 2 into 9m square plus 12m plus 9. Or I can further simplify it to 3m plus 2 into 3m square plus 4m plus 3. What I've observed here is that whether I'm taking the value of k as 3m plus 1 or I'm taking the value of k as 3m plus 2, in both the cases, the above number, which is k into k square plus 5, is completely divisible by 3. And if I take any other value like k is equal to 3m, then it is obvious that if I'm taking k as the multiple of 3, then k into k square plus m, then k into k square plus m, k square plus 5 will always be divisible by 3. So we have observed that k into k square plus 5 mod 2 gives us the remainder 0 when when we take when we take k as an even number, when we take k as an even number, and k into k square plus 5 mod 3 is also equal to 0 whether the k whether k is multiple of 3 or not. In both the cases, k into k square plus 5 mod 3 is equal to 0 and k into k square plus 5 mod 2 is also equal to 0. So I can say that 2 and 3 being co-prime numbers, I can say k into k square plus 5 mod 6 will also be equal to 0 as the number is divisible by 2, as the number is divisible by 3, so it will also be divisible by it will also be divisible by 6. In earlier case, in earlier case, we have observed that the whole number that the whole number n into n square plus 20 was divisible by 8, and I can say that n into or k into k square plus 5 mod 6 is equal to 0. So considering both these cases, I can say that our answer, that the whole number n square plus n by 2 will be divisible by 48, as it was given that n was an even number. So being as an even number, we have calculated that it is 8k into k square plus 5, and k into k square plus 5 is itself a multiple of 6, that we have also proved. So I can say that 8k into k square plus 5, which is nothing, which is same as n into n square plus 20, where n is even number, will be divisible by 48, right? Hence proof. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. My name is Prakhar Jain. Thank you.